Kitchen renovation contractor in Pleasanton. Pleasanton is a city that is constantly growing and expanding. As the population increases, the need for new and modern homes also increases. If you are someone who is looking to have your kitchen remodeled, Pleasanton is the perfect place to do it. The construction here is top-notch and you will be able to find a company that is trustworthy and honest. The materials used in the Pleasanton kitchens are also of high quality and they will surely last long. Not to mention, the designs of these kitchens are modern and stylish. They will definitely make your cooking experience more enjoyable. So if you are someone who is planning to remodel their kitchen, Pleasanton is the perfect place to do it. You will not be disappointed with the results. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where families gather to bond over a shared meal, where friends share laughter and stories, and where memories are made. It's also a place of joy, a place where we can express our creativity through cooking. For me, the kitchen is a special place. It's where I grew up cooking with my mom and dad, and it's where I now cook for my own family. It's a place of comfort and love, and it will always hold a special place in my heart. I'm not the only one who feels this way. Kitchens are important to people all over the world. In Pleasanton, there's even a museum devoted to the history of the kitchen. That's how important this room is. It's worth preserving for future generations. So whether you're bonding with family over a shared meal, or enjoying a moment of joy in your own company, remember that the kitchen is always at the heart of it all. Pleasanton, California is a beautiful city with a lot of history. If you're thinking about doing some construction or remodeling, you should definitely consider our company. We're the best in the business and we'll make sure that your project is done right from start to finish. We're trustworthy and respectful of your design, and we'll work within your budget to make sure that everything is perfect. We're also Bay Area's most skillful construction company, so you can be confident that the quality of our work will exceed your expectations. Contact us today to get started on your project.